So what's going on, guys? In this video I'm gonna show you how to get Facebook Messenger on your PC. And just to know, it's very easy and simple. But before I start, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some questions or some problems, comment down below the video in the comments and I'll try to respond. And yeah, let's move on. Let's show you how to download Facebook Messenger on your PC. So here, when you're on Microsoft Store, if you don't know how to open Microsoft Store, just click here on Windows Searcher and type Microsoft Store as me. Click on it, and here just click on search and type for Messenger like me. Now, as you can see, this is the original Facebook ENC social. It's the original messenger, so don't worry about it. It's not some virus or hack. Just click here get, and also it's free. Click here get, wait a few seconds, just click here install, and now it's downloading. Downloading. And also there's other ways to how to download Messenger, but I think this is the easier one. So it's not so complicated. So now when it's done, just click on launch and yeah, click on sign with Facebook, simple, and let's say wanna click our email, login, Shrek, open Messenger, stop, open Messenger, wait a few seconds again, and as you can see, now you have Messenger on your PC. As I said, it's easy and simple, so you don't have to worry about it. And yeah, if I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and also, as I said, if you have some problems, if you have some questions, comment down below the video in the comments and I'll try to respond. And yeah, see you next video. Bye.